Looking for high-quality extra virgin olive oil without breaking the bank? In this video, we review the best extra virgin olive oils under $10, including top picks from Pompan, Amazon Fresh, and Bertali. Perfect for cooking, drizzling, and more. These budget-friendly options deliver rich flavor and premium quality. Let's dive in. Number 5. Pompan USDA Certified Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil Non-Stick Cooking Spray offers a premium, convenient option for those seeking quality in their cooking. This spray stands out for its propellant-free formula, relying solely on air pressure to deliver a pure and unaltered olive oil experience. The full-bodied, robust flavor is perfect for enhancing salads, pasta, and more, allowing you to drizzle or spray with precision depending on your needs. One of the spray's key features is its versatility. Whether you're lightly coating vegetables for roasting, preparing meat or fish for grilling, or adding a touch of flavor to your air-fried dishes, this olive oil spray is up to the task. Its farmer-crafted quality is evident, boasting USDA organic certification, non-GMO verification, and a naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic profile. While some users may find the 5 fluid ounces bottle a bit small for frequent use, it's an excellent choice for those who value convenience without sacrificing quality. The spray mechanism can be a bit forceful, so it's wise to test it over the sink initially. However, once mastered, it offers exceptional control over the oil application, from a fine mist to a steady stream. Overall, Pompan Organic EVOO Spray is a must-have for health-conscious cooks looking for an easy-to-use, high-quality olive oil that enhances every dish with rich flavor. Number 4. Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers a budget-friendly yet high-quality option for those who enjoy the rich flavors of authentic Italian olive oil. This 16.9 fluid ounces bottle provides a smooth blend with subtle notes of pepper and herbs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Whether you're cooking, grilling, or finishing a dish, this cold-extracted oil brings a touch of Italy to your meals. The oil is pressed and bottled in Italy, ensuring that you're getting an authentic product. The taste is well-rounded and flavorful, perfect for drizzling over fresh bread, salads, or pasta. Some users have noted that it serves as a great substitute if you run out of your more expensive, imported olive oils, offering a similar taste profile at a fraction of the price. The packaging is convenient, though some may prefer a glass bottle over plastic for long-term storage. However, the plastic bottle is lightweight and easy to handle, which is a plus for daily use. The oil arrives fresh and ready to use, delivered straight to your door, making it a convenient choice for busy households. In conclusion, Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a reliable and affordable option for everyday cooking. Its authentic Italian origin and smooth flavor make it a standout choice for those who want quality olive oil without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this olive oil is a great addition to your pantry. Number 3. Pompan Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a versatile and affordable option for those who appreciate quality in their cooking. Made from first cold-pressed olives, this 16 fluid ounces bottle delivers a mild and delicate flavor, perfect for everyday use. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, stir-frying meats, or simply drizzling it over a finished dish, this oil adds a subtle, smooth taste that enhances any meal. Crafted by the olive oil people, Pompan has been committed to quality since 1906. Their smooth EVOO is 100% farmer-crafted, ensuring that the olives are grown and nurtured with care. This oil is certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, NAOA, giving you confidence in its purity and origin. It's also naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO project verified, making it a safe choice for a variety of dietary needs. While some users have expressed a preference for glass over plastic packaging, the plastic bottle is lightweight and easy to handle, making it practical for daily use. The oil itself has been praised for its fresh, light flavor, making it a staple in many kitchens. Its mildness makes it particularly suitable for those who prefer a more subtle olive oil taste in their dishes. Overall, Pompan Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers excellent value for its price. It's a reliable and flavorful option for home cooks who want a high-quality, versatile olive oil that won't overpower their dishes. Number 2. Pompan USDA Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-quality, organic option in their kitchen. This 16 fluid ounces bottle offers a smooth, delicate flavor that's perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, or adding a light drizzle to your finished dishes. Made from first cold-pressed olives, this olive oil is USDA certified organic, ensuring that it meets rigorous standards for purity and quality. Crafted by the olive oil people, Pompan has been a trusted name since 1906. Their commitment to quality shines through in this product, which is 100% farmer-crafted. The olives are carefully grown and nurtured, resulting in an oil that's not only delicious but also certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, NAOA. Additionally, this olive oil is naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO project verified, making it a versatile choice for a variety of dietary preferences. Users have praised the oil for its exceptional taste and high quality, noting that it exceeds other brands in both flavor and value. The smooth and mild flavor makes it ideal for those who prefer a more subtle olive oil that doesn't overpower their dishes. The bottle size is also convenient, making it easy to handle and store. In summary, Pompan USDA Organic Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a reliable and flavorful choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking with an organic, high-quality olive oil. Its smooth, delicate flavor and commitment to purity make it a standout in any kitchen. Number 1. Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil, Rich Taste, is a top-tier choice for those who appreciate a full-bodied, fruity olive oil. This 16.9 fluid ounces bottle offers a robust flavor profile that is perfect for a wide range of culinary applications, from salad dressings and marinades to pasta dishes and bread dipping. The oil is cold-pressed, a method that preserves its natural flavor and nutritional benefits, ensuring that each drop delivers the authentic taste of premium Mediterranean olives. Bertolli's heritage in olive oil spans over 150 years, and this product reflects their commitment to quality and tradition. The rich, fruity flavor of this extra virgin olive oil is bold yet delicate, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With a smoke point of 392 degrees Fahrenheit, it is suitable for various cooking techniques, although it's particularly well-suited for finishing dishes where the olive oil's taste can shine. The oil is packaged in a dark bottle, which helps to preserve its freshness by protecting it from light and heat. However, some users have noted that the bottle is plastic, which may be a concern for those looking to avoid storing lipid-soluble products in plastic containers. Overall, Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil is highly recommended for its rich flavor and versatility. It's a go-to option for both home cooks and professional chefs who want to enhance their dishes with a high-quality, non-GMO olive oil that reflects the best of Mediterranean culinary traditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly finds. Whether you're cooking, drizzling, or dipping, these extra virgin olive oils offer great quality under $10. Share your favorite in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking!